Hey guys, it's been a while since we've last met, and basically we were trying to do a devlog inside this YouTube channel alongside Unigine tutorials, and then there was a conflict of interest. After being busy with a lot of work, the devlog is going to be in a separate channel called White Fortress Studio. There's going to be all the information over there. This channel will stay exactly as it is, where we talk about Unigine. So with that in mind, this video is going to be about events. Events are basically used in everything from notifications to HUDs and all that. So stay tuned and you get some information. Every cutscene in a video game, every event that you see in a video game, every HUD update, every little visual update you get on the GUI, every little mission statement is an event inside video games. Now, in order to create this, you need to actually do a few little things beforehand. The first thing that you actually have to do is create your own types of events. This is where you get either achievement events or player state events or damage events, and you have your own types of events. Then you need a templated event class which holds these type of events, tries to subscribe them and run them. After being satisfied with creating our events and the event class, the next thing we're going to have is the event manager, which basically holds the list of all these events, and then we modify it based on that. So this is our notification manager. If we were to simulate it right now, we would see that we can get some of these achievements cleared, but they happen over and over and over again. So this is where we actually have to add a little bit more of logic inside. An event handler like you see right here, which basically calls upon an instance of the manager, creates a subscription, and then creates a logic inside it alongside a connection. Basically allow the event to exist or not in terms of world space. So once you have it clears once, then you can disconnect it and it won't ever happen again. This is very useful for one-time events. You can also have events that allow variables like damage or numbers. So in this instance, we have a damage event handler that allows whenever a player gets hit that we do something with it. So in this case, when a player is poisoned, we can simulate losing health and dropping it up. So let's just say we have this event handler which allows us to simulate all these events. What we can do is just get like a few keys where we just press it and we try to get like the health or the achievement cleared, or like the player gets poisoned. So that's what we do for logic. And when we see it inside game, just to simulate this, of course you've seen this a while, achievements and hidden, and then once you press health, as you can see, it goes down, and once it turns to 0, you're dead and the event is finished. So that's some of the ways you could actually use events, and there are many more, but these are the most main ways that you can use events for, and I hope this helped. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.